Today we are at South Point. We have a regional this weekend, and there's a non-champs event attached to it. We got a special guest, Mikey's bowling. We're gonna try to help him win his first title as a member, and then take a bowl TOC.
This that feeling, this that vibe that got me winning. Ooh, 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 my life no ceiling. Now that I'm here, you know I'ma kill it. I just got paid, I'm still in my bag. Living so good, it's the life I never had. Got off the jet, I don't mean to brag, but when you work hard, you can live like that. This that jam, that's gon' make you say hey, hey, yeah. This that sound, that's gon' make you feel okay, yeah. Hey, I woke up in the spotlight, hey. I'm feeling real good like, okay, that's how you really know I feel good today. I'm like, hey, I just did it again, like, hey, you can tell your friend, like, okay, that's how you really know I feel good.
So far, scores are not low. They're not hard. 5-to-1 ratio, long pattern, 46 feet. It was kind of expected to be high. Mikey shot 250 game one. The Shannon got 279, so we're off to a hot start. Did you change balls in the field?
I did. For the phase 2, it's a good ball to go to.
You gotta have one seat confidence. Don't play defense, only offense.
Only offense, only winning.
Especially when scores are like this.
Yes.
Let's go.
Beat down, but I had to fight back. Now the words I say, give me back my check. This that jam, that's gon' make you say hey, hey, yeah. This that sound, that's gon' make you feel okay, yeah. Hey, I woke up in the spotlight, hey. I'm feeling real good like, okay, that's how you really know I feel good today. I'm like, hey, I just did it again, like, hey, you can tell your friend, like,
It's only game 3 and you're already throwing phase 5.
Yeah, they're hooking a little.
Everybody else is still throwing gem, reality, big balls, and you're already throwing a weak ball. This is a PBA Tour player right here.
Just different.
PBA Tour hand.
okay, that's how you really know I feel good today.
Dude, that thing looks gross.
It does. It looks freaking nasty.
Good, yeah, I feel good today. Ooh, yeah, I feel good today. Ooh, flying so high, I feel like Jordan. It feel like game 6 and I'm on my throne. Flying clouds, I can't come down. I'm in my zone. Flying so high, I feel like Jordan. It feel like game 6 and I'm on my throne. Flying so high, when I'm in these clouds, I can't come down. I'm in my
All right, scoring update. Mikey's 111 over after 4. Shannon Cannon is 184 over. Mikey's kind of riding that number right now. He just shot 180, but Anthony's blowing okay.
Hi.
So yeah, plug it up.
Follow Forrest Kritzer on YouTube. Not as good as Darren, but check me out. Hadouken! Who wants to see a collab with this guy? I do.
There's a lot of comments about this guy when he makes it. Creeping in there.
It's been a tough day, I'm gonna be honest.
All right, just not optimal, but you're a good bowler.
Yeah, using a lot of my skills.
You're letting Mookie beat your ass.
He's a Hall of Famer.
He's a bona fide
He's a Hall of Famer.
athlete.
He's an elite athlete.
Alright, so both the boys are in the cut. Anthony's the number 2 seed. He'll be bowling against Art. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but fellow Armenian. Mikey's bowling Adam Molson. There he is.
Handpay legend. Go on
Handpay
YouTube.
legend. That's
There
right.
you go.
Yeah, I don't even get it right. The next Pro V YouTuber. Mikey did not have the best ball reaction. He lost. But we got the Shannon cannon over here. That was very impressive. Came back from 0-2, bowled 850 to win his match.
Nuts.
It looks like up here is very good right now.
Yeah, I feel very, very confident. I feel calm.
Hair's out of place.
I feel quiet.
I may have thrown some jabs in there to assist, but I didn't think it was gonna do anything.
Need the assist.
I mean, he bowled 850. Like nobody was gonna beat him, so it didn't really matter. Keep going.
Thanks.
Here's my hand pay after losing to 850 for the last 3 months.
Hand pay. He's the legend.
He's right here, hand pay legend, baby.
Hand pay.
Check it out.
We'll see you in the future. Have a good one, man.
Still in the spotlight, still in the show. I'm 1 in a million. Ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go. Go. I'm ready to go. Go. Watch me run that. Run that. Watch me run that. Run that. I'm doing it my way. Get out the way. Watch me run that. Run that. Run it back. On the chase. Everything you got is for the take. I got a ski mask and a free pass to just destroy your face. I'm in broad day like with your chain, like I'm cooking with more dangerous. Pure flavor with 4 strangers. Been blasting at the rounds in all chambers till I feel like Ben Affleck in the town, but more dangerous. I just reload with the songs. I just keep going along. I just beat a weekend with street cred and hits like the Patriots defense holding the one.
Mr. Mead needs all 3 in the 10th to tie.
Watch me run that. Run that.
That was terrifying. Hardest beating.
Alright, boys in a round of 4. Skated by his last couple of matches. He's currently bowling fits. Can he pull it out?
Watch me run that. Run that. Watch me run that. Run that. Watch me run that. Run that. I'm doing it my way. Get out the way. Watch me run that. Run that. Run it back. I bring the danger. You can't escape. Sharp as a razor. You feel the play. Bet in the end you'll remember my name. Yeah, in the end you'll remember my name. I bring the danger, you can't escape. Sharp as a razor, you feel the blood. Watch me run that. Run that. Watch me run that. Run that. I'm doing it my way. Get out the way. Watch me run that. Run that. Watch me run that. Run that. Watch me run that. Run that. I'm doing it my way. Get out the way. Watch me run that. Run that.
The Shannon cannon just punched out. Fitz has to get the first one in the 10th. If not, he's guaranteed at least a tie.